Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. In this oats recipe series, here is another quick and easy recipe with oats. Instant oats pancakes. So without further delay, let's see how to prepare this instant oats pancake. Into a mixer jar, add half cup of instant oats. To this, add 2 bananas, here goes the second banana. Here I am not adding any sweet or sugar to this. The banana will act as the sweetener here. Now crack 1 egg into this. Add half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt. Now blend this into a fine paste. If you think the batter is too thick, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk, or if the batter is too thin, you can add more oats to this. This is perfect at the moment. I'm just transferring this into a bowl. Now I'm adding a quarter cup of chopped nuts and raisins. You can even add freshly chopped fruits as well. Now combine this slowly. Pancake batter is absolutely ready. Now heat a pan and grease it with some butter or oil. Pour 1 ladle of the batter to make 1 pancake. This will take about 1 minute on each side to cook. So we have to make sure the temperature of the pan should not be too high or too low. After 1 minute, flip the pancake. Look at the color, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now turn the other one as well and cook this for about 1 minute on low flame. The instant oats pancakes are absolutely ready to be served. Serve it hot with some honey, maple syrup, or some fresh fruits of your choice. These pancakes can be stored for about 1 week in an airtight container in fridge. Just microwave it for 1 minute before you use. It will be as soft as the freshly baked ones. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe of instant oats pancake. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do consider subscribing my channel for more such instant, healthy, easy recipes. Stay tuned as I will be posting more healthy, instant, no sugar and low fat oats recipes in the upcoming days. If you have missed my previous oats recipe videos, then don't worry, the link is in the description below. So till we meet next with another instant and quick recipe, stay healthy and be happy.